and you work smart, and you go big. It's time for you to continue on the journey. And I congratulate you, I congratulate your parents, family, and friends. And especially I congratulate the people that work really closely with you, because it was a partnership. Mr. Chief Secretary, distinguished guests, parents, families, hardworking men and women at both public and private sectors, teachers, Cobra makers, and those who are listening to this program throughout the Republic. We are witnessing the end product of our collective responsibility to educate and to provide better opportunity for our citizens. Once again, congratulations, graduates. God bless and thank you.
The U.S. government, through the compact as amended, has been happy to provide financial assistance to support such a worthwhile program. In my opinion, the ABC Toolbox program is the best investment of compact funds that I have seen in the first 7 years of the amended compact. The U.S. will continue to work with the RMI to make compact and possibly other U.S. funding available to support the continuation of the ABC Toolbox program.
Kan filan biro, yang bujiburo, jadi ABC Toolbox, bukalap, alam yung rejiman, jadi biro. Boleh kita agak boleh menjawab, yang mata rejim, cuma yang macam kiri nade, jangan buat kiri nade, pawang cera. Boleh kita agak boleh menjawab, jadi ini perlu tamak, yang exercise juga. Yang tamak boy dong yang belum warga engine kubang mangagong yang lebih dia. Boleh kita aku boleh jawab, boleh kita exercise buat, boleh kita kadang grow lucu lucu period, kan tahu kuat, kadang kaki doa di situ bah. Jauh amrin jual jawab, jadi di situ bah. Boleh kita ciba, yang one man awak, yang kata baru, yang berudah jawab. Ilo ada yang kan dia untuk ilo izin, kayak dua meja, ilo ada yang dua jawab, kayak mau chip yang chip.
Well, my topic is about we work hard. These are some things we can do at home to show that we work hard. We can wake up early instead of sleeping all day. We can help around the house, wash dishes, wash the clothes. We can exercise too, and we can clean as we go. We can organize activities around the neighborhood, like cleaning up trash, having a cane chain for the kids, and helping kids with homework. We can go around the neighborhood and ask people if there is anything they need help with, like moving the grass, buying groceries, babysitting. There are many things to do, so don't waste time. Platoon, what do we do? So, I'd like to say thank you to all the teachers and the captains, and especially Mr. Bob and Sarah, and my friends. Thank you.
Now, on your feet! Wow. Wow. That's really, when I think of Toolbox 4, that's what I say. I say, wow. It's hard to believe you guys just did 10 weeks of Toolbox, but I'm proud. I'm very proud.
Hesby Bullet Arno. big room, Majuro. And ladies and gentlemen, with that, over 200 students have graduated the ABC Toolbox program. We have a round of applause for all our graduate students. Thank you all for coming. We ask that you join us out on PT line for their last performance. Can you give the graduates one last round of applause, please?
Plateau, for the front.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, teacher. No, teacher. Oh, teacher.
We have 57 graduates of ABC Toolbox. All I have left to say, good job, platoon!
Thank you, sir.
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 Alpha, you're going to take it down and we're going to stop right before the guard on the sidewalk. Alpha, go.
Never. We will not fail.
First exercise will be the push-up.
The push-up.
Push-up position. Ready? Go! There, Captain. Down. Up.
1,
Down. Up.
2,
Down. Up.
3,
Down. Up.
4,
Down. Up.
5,
Down. Up.
6,
Down. Up.
7,
Down. Up.
8.
Down.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Barry's mother.
And
Right?
Yeah. Congratulations, finally. Yeah.
Yeah.